Salesh bhai, are you ready? Can we start now? Salesh bhai.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so you can start now.
Okay, so today's topic is to tell a funny story. So it is my story. So it is like this. This is of around 2010 or 11 year. This is uh, hello, hello.
Yes, yes, Salesh bhai. Hello?
Okay. Um, Hello. So this incident is of 2010 or 11 years when I was in the college. I was new in the college, and that time the movie Three Idiots was just released. So it was around 4 to 5 months. So we were more familiar to the college and the rules, regulations, and the teachers. So it was a simple thing and normal thing that we used to eat the our lunch boxes in the classroom whenever the teacher was absent. So one day, our group of three students were eating lunch in particular a period, but that was not our interval. Then too we were eating food, and the thing happened that suddenly our teacher came in the class, and uh, all the we three friends were so much hungry that we just captured a lot of piece of the roti and just entered in our mouth, and it was very hard to speak at that time. uh, so the teacher started to teach, and he did not notice earlier, but after 2 to 3 minutes, the teacher noticed that we are eating something, uh, because it was very hard to hide at that time. We were hungry also, so we just want to uh, uh, just swell the roti also. That's why teacher noticed us. So first of all, he standed up. He ordered one of my friend to stand up and tell what was he doing. Uh, so his mouth was full of the roti, so it was very hard for him to speak. The teacher know this thing, so he asked a question to him. Uh, Actually, the subject that was running was related to engineering. It was just like a subject of DC machine. So teacher asked him that what is the efficiency of DC machine. This kind of question he asked, but my friend did not know the answer, and I was just sitting beside him. I was thinking that yeah, now it will be my turn, and I know. And I was thinking what can be the answer so that uh, I can tell the teacher. So uh, just I thought, uh, teacher ordered me also to stand up, and uh, I stand up that time, and teacher asked another question. I was not supposed to think like this. Teacher asked me a different question, and that was like uh, the question. If I remember, it was like a simple question. The teacher asked me that, okay, you tell me a simple question. Answer that. What is machine? He just in a formal way he asked what is machine, and I was just surprised suddenly because my mouth was full of roti also, and I was thinking another answer, but that time the question was changed by teacher. So anyhow, I wanted to speak to tell the answer, and that time, as I told earlier, that uh, Three Idiots movie was just launched recently. So it is a normal thing actually that if we don't know the exact answer, then we can find it in our general sense. So the thing happened that I without any thinking much, I just told that machine, from the nib of my pen to the zip of my pant, everything is machine, sir. You can make it up, you can make it down simultaneously, just like in the Three Idiots movie, Amir Khan told to the teacher. I don't know how uh, uh, it happened from me that I told like as exactly in the same way, and the whole class started to laugh at me, and that was the really very awkward moment. And uh, the result of that particular incident that I got at that semester 25 marks out of 50 in the discipline. So it was really a funny incident. That time it just happened, but now if I remember this, then it really makes me laugh. So this was my story actually.
Okay, Sailesh bhai,
This
actually
is all
just I
from
want to share one of the my accident, same as you. You know, once I was working in my office,
uh,
I was eating anar. Okay, just I put up
mm,
some pieces of anar, I just put in inside my mouth. As soon as I put in my my boss just entered in my room, and I was, what I should say now. Okay, means, just I like this as situation, and I was so much wondering what I do now, because he was asking some question, I was unable to reply answer. Then he, see my mouse and said, please, firstly eat, then speak. Then in front of was eating something like that. It was so funny situation. I have no answer how to reply. And when I just open mouth, maybe NR just come down. That's why I put like this, and I faced that situation. Okay, this was a nice story. So we are moving towards,
I, I,
yes, yes,
yes,
Sailesh bhai.
exactly the situation happened.
Okay, so now we are moving towards Prakhar Bhai. Prakhar Bhai, now this is your turn.
Hello, sir. How are you all? Very good afternoon to everyone. So, today the topic of my story is Never Ever Dare to Touch Me. There was a story of a taxi driver and a passenger. Once, a taxi passenger just tapped on the shoulder of the driver, and driver just shouted loudly, so much loud, and the taxi got out of control, and it just nearly to hit the bus, and it go to on the footpath and just stop away from like 3 to 5 inches before the window shop, and then the passenger said to the driver, so sorry, I didn't get that. You will be so scared if I tap on your shoulder. Then what did the taxi driver said? He it's just a second. Actually, a call had arrived. So sorry, guys. May I start now again from there I left?
Yes, yes, you can start. No issue.
Then the taxi driver said that it's not because of you, because it is because I am. It is the first day. It is my first day as a cab driver. Before this, I am a driver of a funeral van, which take the dead bodies to the site of the funeral. And never ever, no one has tapped on my shoulder. This was an event actually. The story has
Nice, Prakhar,
spoiled because
nice.
trend. He is just calling me again and again and again. Like,
Nice, Prakhar, nice.
thanks. So I think it's enough from my side. Thanks.
Okay, I think you are getting so much disturbance. That's why. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, now we have Bala Bhai. Now this is your turn, Bala Bhai. Please on your mic and then please.
I guess he's not. He's speaking or not?
No, no, no. Balabhai, please on your
Balabai,
mic.
please unmute yourself. Hmm. Hmm.
Do you hear my voice, sir?
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, friends. When I studied 8th standard in Tamil medium and government school, Tamil teacher came to my classroom. I took attendance, and the teacher is very short, men, very short. That time, first time I entered the school, took attendance. If Tamil teachers staying, he tell all students names, and also he tells my name. Bala, yes sir, I am Kullenaya. This Kullen short is located to the Tamil word short is Kullen. Uh, he mentioned his height. We should attend. Yes sir, say Kullenaya. I just say Kullinaya. It means I mentioned his height, short. Then he get angry. I cannot how to pronounce it. Yes, sir. So I say again, Kullinaya, Kullinaya. That means short, very short. I mentioned his height. Then he get angry. Then came to my place and he beated many times. Then I cannot why the teachers beated me. Then my uh, near students say you that is not use Tamil words kullenaya. You said ullenaya. Yes, I present. You should say present. At that time I am very upset. I am very ashamed. All students are laughing that time. I cannot do what sometimes I came out of my class and my tears are coming from my eyes. Then I then go to back. That is I forgot now times. This is from my side. Nowadays, if any Tamil teachers came to take any attendance, I mention that I remember that place, that incident. I think this is Ullinaya. Ullinaya is word, Tamil word Ullinaya. It's called present. But I mentioned Ullinaya. I just answered very short about his height. So I just, this is, I think you are all not understand that I confused the Tamil words and the English. So I try to say one short story, but kids, I collected from kids. I cannot say how to start a story and how we start, how we tell a kid's story. We are all uh, uh, we are all mature person. How I tell stories, so I don't like to tell that story. Silas boy tell his college life matter. So I listen. Then I changed my story. I tell this what I happened in my classroom when I studied 8th standard. That's all, sir.
No, it's okay,
Thank
Bala.
you.
If you have another story, you can tell us other story also.
Okay.
No, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Lazy son. The title of Lazy
Yes.
son.
Okay.
A moneylender lived with his family in town here located. His wife and his son. The moneylender is very work hard every day. Every day he get up early morning 5, and first he visit Shiva temple. Then he rounded all his business. Then how he's working, how he's going, and then he came to office.
his regular duty. But his son is very lazy fellow. He's always sleeping. He's not very. He's the father not um, like his son activity. Every day he get up and come with help to my farm, say something, but his son is not like that. No, I don't want to come with you. I want to take rest. Then he is go along with his business. Once then the father sick. After a few days he died. Then the family facing more crisis and losing their business. Then his mother called Sumit. We are facing after death of our father. We are facing more crisis. But the son replied, "What I can do for this? I have no knowledge to run business." Just his mother said, "Your grandfather lives near village. You go and ask, and he will guide you." Then next day he meet his grandfather. His grandfather gave some knowledge. You have to do done your what your father doing. You just get up early in the morning and go to Swat temple, and after that you round up your all business. You will find out some scam from your laborers. Then you will become rich. Okay, he said, okay, grandpa. Then he, after that, he started his father's work. Then every day he get up early morning and go to Swat temple, and after that he rounds all business. After some weeks, he will become a flourish in their business. Again, they are rich. Then he realized, so lazy is most avoid things. We don't bother. We don't look at laziness. We should avoid laziness. We can do achieve in our life. This is the moral story. That's all, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, Allah. Thank you.
okay,
Very
Sanu
nice
bhai,
story.
now this is your turn because we are looking for some great history from your side. So now you can.
Yeah, yeah. It's like it's not a story. It's a kind of joke. Like once there was a doctor, so he was very sure about his treatment. He was very famous doctor in his town. So that's why his fees was very high. So he announced an offer to every patient, like if I will be able to give a good treatment and you recovered from the medicine, from my medicine, then only I will take money from your side, my like whatever fees my is there, 300, 500. Otherwise I will give you 1000 rupees. After hearing this announcement, one clever person thought, okay, means this doctor is very foolish person. We can rob this doctor. Okay, so next day he thought, okay, now today I'll make him fool and I'll take money from him. And he went to the doctor and he said, doctor, I cannot taste anything. Please help me to cure my taste buds. Doctor said, okay, no problem. He said, nurse, give me the 84 number medicine bottle and ask that person to try some drops on your tongue. And that clever person tasted few drops and immediately said, oh no, sir, this is the petrol. What are you doing? Doctor said, congratulations. We, we you recovered your taste buds. Okay. Then he had to give the money to him, that person. And after that, that person was thinking like, this is not good. I have to think something else. Next day, that person thought, okay, I'll this time I'll rob this doctor definitely. He went to the doctor and said, doctor, I lost my memory. I do not remember my past. Please help me to recover my memory. Doctor said, okay, don't worry. We have medicine for that. I will also. Uh, he asked to the nurse, uh, give me the 84 number medicine bottle. And person immediately said, no, sir, you forgot. That medicine for recovering taste buds, not for memory recovery. Doctor said, oh, you remember? Congrats, you got your memory back. Then again he said, again he had to pay it to the doctor. And the next day that person was thinking what to do. So he said, enough is enough, now I have to rob this clever doctor. Then he went to the doctor again, third day, and he said, doctor, I lost my eyes. Means he's acting like that, means I can't see anything, please help me. Means how can I get my vision back? Doctor took a pause and think. After few seconds, doctor said, oh no, we are very sorry, we don't have treatment for this problem. So that person said, okay, then give me the 1,000 rupees as you said, as your announcement. Then doctor took a 100 rupees note, and he gave to that person. That person immediately saw that note and said, this is a 100 rupees note, but you said 1,000 rupees note. Then if you means like if you failed in treatment, doctor said, okay, now you can see, congrats, we have fixed your eyes. So now give me my fees, that's it. So this is my story.
Okay, okay. So now we have next speaker, Rajesh Bhai. Rajesh Bhai, now this is your turn.
Yeah, yeah, nice story, Mr.
It's
Mr.
Shano.
Sanu. Yeah,
Yeah,
nice story.
thank you so much.
We had
Thank you.
we listened this story earlier in the
Yeah.
something like
Yeah.
from the social media.
Yes, yes.
So yeah,
Yeah.
nice story, and you explained
so much.
this story very well, manner. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Thank
yeah, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. So if, I want to get one story in front of you. So the story is 50-50. It means yeah, the story is in a village where two friends live in a village. So one is the friend who is the greedy man, and one is the friend who is the very simple man. So the greedy man is name is Ghanta Singh, and the simple man whose name is the Banta Singh. So Ghanta Singh decided his friends ki we will participate whatever the things we are using. So they are using three things. So first things is the cow they have, and second thing is the blanket, and the third thing is the the bare of the tree. So then the Ghanta Singh said these are the things which we have. We should use these things divided 50-50. They have the plan. So Ghanta Singh get the suggestion to Banta Singh. These are the things. We firstly divided the cow. So they said it means Ghanta Singh, it means greedy person said to with respectful person, simple person. These are he's the cow, see the cow, and in front side cow how you can use, and in rear side cow we use. It means Ghanta Singh use. So Banta Singh listened this thought of his friends and he agreed. And same thing about Kambal, it means blanket. So they Ghanta Singh said, these are the blanket. It's a blanket. I use this blanket in the night, and you use this blanket in day. So his friends is agreed because they are simple man and they trust on his friend. And third thing is the tree of the bear. Same thing Ghanta said you take the tree of the root, and I take care of the leaf and fruits. He agreed. It means Banta Singh agreed all the three things, whatever they said by Ghanta Singh. And 1 day, 2 days live, 1 day and 2 days gone and sometimes Banta Singh think about this point, what I did, and I do not get any advantage. So he deeply thinking and go away somewhere, like he wants I something think about these points. So he met with the one is the sadhu members, and sadhu said, why are you sad, so you? So he said everything what happened with him, and sadhu gave the suggestion, and Banta Singh returned back on the home, and he was happy because he get the he get the thoughts from the sadhu, and whatever he get the thought from the sadhu, he do it same on the ground. It means when the Ghanta Singh take the milk from the cow, he use the, it means he take the some stick, and he put it means he snatched something in the nose of cow. That's the time cow kicked the bucket of the milk, and bucket move out and drop the milk on the ground. So Ghanta Singh, why are you do these things now? It's totally wrong. He said, I do not do anything. I do things only front of the cow. Why are you angry with me? He sobbed, and his mouth was opened. And same thing, like blanket case. In day shift, the Banta Singh not used properly because it's not used in the day. So in the night, it's used. They are using, but he get the suggestion after from sadhu. Then he did not use in day, but when he hand over it in night to Ghanta Singh, so he firstly weared this blanket in the water and hand over it. Why are you why are you weared in the water? He said, it's my turn and I can do. What's my expectation? What's my wishes? He agreed. Yeah, it's your turn. You can do. So he solved. And same thing with the tree. When the fruits come and they do not get it, they do not touch it by Banta Singh. So he said, he do some new things, whatever the sadhu suggest. So they cut the tree on the root. They shouted, it means Ghanta Singh shouted on the Banta Singh, why are you cut the tree? Bola, it's my part. Whatever I want, I can do. So Ghanta Singh, it means Ghanta Singh accepted what they did the mistake. And finally, they changed the agreement again, and both are agreed a new agreement. It means they took the advantage of blanket every alternate night, and they took the advantage of the cow alternate day. And same thing, tree. When fruits come on the tree, will divide these fruits in front of both. They are get the new agreement, and they get the again a new friends. So the moral of this story is, friends never we can say never take the advantage of each other. So we always respect to the person. We always respect to the peoples, our friends. Do not get selfish. You always respect to the others. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Nice story,
Bhai.
Rajesh
So,
sir.
Tanu bhai and Prakar bhai, now please switch on your camera. We have 10 minutes, so we can do some general discussion. Okay, because we have no other participants, that's why. At least we can talk 10 minutes because we have 9 minutes, that's why I'm saying. Okay, then. Prakar bhai and Shanu bhai.